Okay, my love, so this is my makeup vanity area where I store my makeup, and then you see my computer, and then of course the coffee. So all right, so what I do is I film in front of my vanity, like my tabletop vanity, and I honestly love it way better. Do you guys see my friend Tracy? She's so cute. Okay, so honestly, the other way that I was recording, I had another tabletop right here in the middle of me, and I would I'll put everything up, and it was just getting to the point where all the cords were everywhere. I couldn't even walk in my makeup room. It didn't even feel like a makeup room at all. So I decided to, just record from here where I could sit down and actually see myself. And I don't know, I just like the lighting better. That little orange thing that's on my table is for the light up here, the Carly Bybel light. I'll link everything down. I got it on Amazon. Phone right here because I just don't want extra stuff, like there's a trash bag right there, sorry, but I'm cleaning everything out. So I got this on Christmas. This is from Impression Vanity. It's like a little mini vanity mirror. It's so freaking cute. I am obsessed with it. It has like 3 settings and it's pretty bright. And this light right here is a light these 2 lights that replaced my box lighting. So I'll switch it up. This is why I like the bio color in these 2 panels right here. I love it. I love that this came with that, so I can actually make that one warm as well. Pretty much all my lighting is bio. Like, you could change it to warm, and that's what I love. Except that big old vanity is just basically like cool, I'm obsessed with it. I feel like the best thing that you can do, and that's what I'm going to show you guys how you create or you get your best lighting, because I do get asked a lot. Hey besties, what is up? So finally I finally here to share with you guys my lighting. Alright, because I get asked so much about my camera, my lighting, all the tools that I use, and this is it. This is the video for you. Don't mind this. I did a tutorial, so don't mind that. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of a glimpse of the setup. Okay, so basically I do use the Blue Yeti mic. I love it. Honestly, I love it, and it works very good. I've been using it for like less than a year, I want to say, and I love it. Let me see if you guys could hear me. Do you guys hear me? Just kidding. Could you guys hear me? Is this an ASMR? Just kidding. No, it's not. But but I just want to show you guys that is my mic, and I honestly love it. I love how it sounds. Let me know. My tripod, mainly everything is from Amazon, you guys. I freaking love Amazon. It is my favorite to shop around for the lights. So let's talk about lighting. So back then I used to use soft boxes, you guys, those big soft boxes, and honestly they worked wonders. I love them. But as I grew, everything grew, so it was not enough room for me. So I had to switch over to these babies right here. I'll show you guys a picture somewhere right here. It comes in a pack, so it comes two of them, so it's a bio color, so it turns warm and cool, or you can use it as like you can use it in the middle where it's a cool and warm at the same time, and I love that lighting. It's so freaking bomb. Right now I'm using the cool. Everything is cool right now, so that's why it looks like this. It's not as warm as my other videos. I like that. And then the Carly Bybel light that I kept saying, like, that's a Carly Bybel. So I think a year ago or so I seen Carly Bybel use that lighting, and she says she only uses that lighting, but then again she has a huge ass window, so it's a lot of lighting going in, and then she has like lights up there. So yeah, but this lighting nonetheless is amazing. If you guys had to pick one lighting, I'd say that one, and it does go on top of my camera, so it's really bright. I can't even look at it. I just saw it, and there's a bunch of little dots, and oh my god. So that is that. That was my favorite light actually, and it goes up to like 100, and when I tell you it is fucking bright, it is fucking bright. Okay, it is freaking bright. So yeah, I have the light right here, and then the little lights that I have, like the actual panel lighting right here, the two of them that came. So I have one in front of me right here, down here, just to get the shadow underneath my double chin or whatever. And then I have this one, and then I have that little vanity little mirror right here. I will show you guys a picture. That right there is my favorite because it's a huge little mini mirror, but it's big enough, and it has 3 settings, and I did get that one at TJ Maxx, so you guys could check it out right there. They have super cute deals. My huge vanity is from Dream Vanities. I don't know if she's still selling vanities, but I will definitely put everything down below, that way you guys can check it out, the links and everything. So yeah, I am obsessed with that. It is dimmable, so I love that. I love anything dimmable because some days I want it super bright and some days I don't. It just depends on the day, depends on the look. I want to say kind of like that. And then I have a lighting behind me. That light behind me is just a softbox light and then a tripod. You can just get a tripod that has that what is that? The outlet part of those big old vanity lights. I'll show you guys right now. Hold on. So these type of lights, okay? This is like the softbox lights. I have a million of these because in case they ran out or like pop, but they haven't. So yeah. And since I don't use these soft boxes anymore, so I just took everything out and all I have is left is this. So yeah, so this light is right behind me, and the paper backdrop. I suggest a paper backdrop. I do like fabric, but I love like the silk. The silk fabric is like my favorite. It is pretty because it is like how do you say it? Wrinkly kind of, because I'm not gonna be ironing it, like, but it gives because I feel like you don't have to iron it and make it look all freaking tight and seamless. It's just cute. I don't know. I get my backdrops from Joann's. No, not Joann's, Hobby Lobby. Sometimes they have some fucking good deals, so check them out. The tripod that I have my my camera on, I just got it. It's a tabletop one. It is the bomb, you guys, because it has like this little part where you can like wind it up higher and wind it down. It's pretty cool because like I used to have my tripod. It was freaking huge, and I would put it up and then I'll put my camera kind of down, so you obviously hide the double chin, just kind of like those angles. But I don't know, like I like this. I like filming on my table, my vanity. Like I got everything from IKEA, like my tabletop and my Alex drawers. So that is that. I love that unit. But because obviously like I have more makeup and not a lot of things fit in here, so I had to get I got a unit that is a vanity unit. Like it's really pretty and it has a bunch of room. It's deep. So I love that. About lighting. How do you get your lighting like this? How? Honestly, turn off all your lights, all of them. Start turning one by one. Okay, and you're like, okay, I like this, but I kind of need this. I need lighting on this side. You rearrange your lighting however your space is, because my setup is not going to work for everybody, you know what I mean? But I find it that turning off all the lights, having no lights whatsoever, turning your camera on and lighting up your lights one by one to seeing which one looks good or how you position it looks good for your videos and stuff, for your liking. And my tip for you guys, because I get that asked a lot and I'm like, I don't know, I always tell them what I use, but they'll buy it and they're like, oh, well, my lighting doesn't look like yours. And of course it's not going to look like yours because some people have a window, some people don't, or some people don't have a vanity mirror also, because that vanity mirror like brings in a lot of light as well, because it's like all around. So that's why. But this is the lighting I use. I do have a ring light right here on the side of me, but I don't have it on right now. Like if I were to have it on, does it make a difference? Does it? Okay, so that is that. So I turned on my ring light right here on the side of me. It just depends, you guys. It kind of brought more light in the back of me and a little bit on the side of me. I did get this gifted by Amazon. So I don't know exactly the name of this one, but I can give you a similar. It is bio as well. So like I said, everything I get is bio color because I like the warmness and the coolness. So I have everything trying to kind of match so it can look good. This is how it looks without that lighting. So I'm mainly having light like in front of me and nothing really behind me. Just, yeah, I have that light on. I do film my tutorials with my Canon 80D, and honestly I love my camera. It is a bomb. I'm obsessed with it. I was like on a hunt, like I'm gonna get another lens, I'm gonna get another camera. But honestly, like, this camera is not bad at all. Like, I am obsessed with this camera, and I just had to work with my lighting, you know? Lighting is everything. Like, you could get whatever camera you want. Like, if you have bomb lighting and the lighting is positioned, like, perfectly, girl, you have that bomb quality. The lens that I use, it is the 18 to 135 mm. I didn't get the kit lens, so I did buy the lens separate. So yeah, I just felt like the kit one, I don't know, I just personally don't like the kit one. I rather buy a different one where it's more zoom, because obviously we film videos and the other one didn't zoom as much and it wasn't like wide range, so that is why I got the other one. For the Carly Bybel one, it doesn't have like a bio, but you can make it bio. You can make it warm using this shield, and it is really cute. Like it works good. So look it. So it gives you like that warmness, you know what I mean? And you take it off, and then you have cool. So I do have like a clear one that kind of softens it up, because this light, I'm telling you, it's freaking bright, and it's a lot. It's super bright, and it goes to 100. Like, I cannot look at it, because my husband's like, my husband always tells me, like, do you get like, you feel like it's like too much lighting? And yes, like, I'm not staring at the light, I'm staring at the lens, because if I look at the light, I'm gonna be like blind. Like, the way I position the lighting is like really, really important, because I was going crazy. The way I was telling you guys, I was going crazy about the lighting. I was going crazy. Like, I didn't know what I was doing wrong. Like, I was so annoyed, because I didn't know. I was like, I have all the lights, like, what's going on, you know? But it honestly, the way I told you, turn off your camera and you start doing the lights, and you figuring out what lighting works best for you. So yeah, you guys, I know this is kind of like a little mini tutorial, but I just wanted to get it up real quick for you guys. Honestly, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I feel like this was like a much needed, much requested, very, very requested tutorial. I'm not a gatekeeper, like, heck no. I will show you guys the light, where I got it, the link, everything. Like, there's no gatekeeping on this channel, girls. Like, I hate when you ask people, like, hey, where'd you get this, or how'd you do this, and like they say, oh, I don't know. Like, well, yeah, I'm sure you do know, but all right, cool, whatever, you know? So there's no gatekeeping here. There's no secrets on my channel. Like, I will let you know anything and everything you guys want to know. So if you guys have anything that I kind of missed or whatever, because I'm kind of like all over the place, I feel, let me know down below in the comments. Let me know. But yeah, my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is all I have for you guys right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys leave me a comment. Let me know anything you guys want to know. I'll let you guys know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.